Well, mine lasted for almost 2 years, and boy, what a little workhorse it was. But now we've got a new one, and it's ready for a review. And there's that steep timer now we're going to talk about in just a second. Okay, folks, I've just got my new Chefman 1.8 liter electric kettle, and boy, we like the new one here. It's pretty fancy. It's got a whole bunch of stuff that comes with it. The other one was real simple. It's just turned on, it heats it up, you do whatever you want with it. It did have this part where you put the tea leaves in, and you add it after it's done boiling, and you set your steep timer here for your different types of time you want for your tea leaves to sit inside the unit here. You just push the button there, and you'll put it down in with 2 tablespoons of your tea leaves in there to heat it up. But all we use it for, the other one, we had the same thing, we didn't use it either. But you can set your timer for it, and it's pretty neat. It'll have a steep timer after it gets to the temperature you want for your different desired functions. So let's turn that off, we can here. Okay, there we go. We're gonna go to the different types of temperatures we can do. We can do boil, we can do delicate, we can do 165, 170, green tea, white tea. I don't know what that means, so you're gonna have to tell me in the comments there. And then 200 Fahrenheit, there we go. 205, 210, and 212 herbal, and then I think it's black tea, and then just boil. And that's what we use ours for, and we use a lot. The other one, we used it like every day. It would get used probably 12 to 20 times a day. So for it to last 2 years in that type of usage, it was pretty brutal on it. And if we had to boil water for a quick made product or whatever that had to have boiling water with it, we would definitely use it even more than 20 times a day. But I tell you, this is really nice, this new one here. Once you set it, it'll go red. Once it's ready, it'll go green. And it's just great. I mean, it works really quick. It's just like the other one, but I think it's a little faster. And you've got the different functions on here. You've got your start and stop. You've got your settings here for your steep there. You also got for your different functions of boil, delicate, and everything I just showed you there with the different temperatures you want to set it for. And I really like it. I think it's going to last us a good long time. I hope it's more than 2 years than the other. But the other one was, like I said, extremely abused by a lot of people in this house, 7 people, and used consistently all day long. And I've seen it used, like I said, almost 20 times a day. It probably got used more than that when I wasn't even looking. So the other one, it had a good life. It did a good job. But for what we use it for just boiling water and making, hot water or tea or coffee separately, you put it in a glass, it works great. But using this function, we never did it. The instructions are for it. It's pretty simple. I mean, it comes with a packet and it tells you all the things you need to do with this. And it's at Costco. You can get it at Costco for $39. If you order it online, it's $49. So it's a little bit more if you get it through the online source. And I'll put that on the bottom of the description too also. But I love these little kettles. They're awesome. We've given it to family members during the year, and they just love them. And they just can't get enough of them because they always want us to buy them more. But anyway, that's it for my review on this. I think it's a fantastic little heater for water, and just for simple use, like I said, for filling cups up and heating it up, putting water in it, coffee, whatever, tea. But the separate function, we've never used it, but the instructions are quite clear. And setting the temperatures is pretty cool. I think that's awesome. So good luck, God bless, and works for me.